2. That means BookSnail. BookSnail will be playing your game. Let's get on to that. We can keep this page open, ready to come back to it at one point, but you will have to, actually no, you'll have to just win a raffle again. So, oh, that was the right one, sorry. Close this one. Of course not you, Brain. your chances of not being the best. Anyway, so this is a game by the wonderful BookSnail, a lovely member of many communities here on Twitch, amongst people like Alicia Griffin, Spacey, myself, Natalo, and co. And they've made a game about their ongoing character, which is Lucky Lefty, the left-handed snail, that is. And it's Lucky Lefty loves lucid dreaming. The theme of the jam was dreamings, so it does kind of make sense. So let's mark this to say that we've had a look at it, save that rating, and then I think we're going to be playing in browser. So share something you learned during the jam. I learned how to do parallax. Got much better at using parent classes. I don't actually know how 9-slice works. I know I can talk to you about it if you want BookSnail 9-slicing. Or maybe it's just in the way that you use it. You're not too sure how to implement it. Allow mouse, keyboard, joystick, click movement, not stressing, and that clamp doesn't work for Game Maker Studio 2 HTML5 builds. Oh. That's what the clamp doesn't work. Alicia and I both learned about special effects. Yes, special effects are good as well. Alrighty, so well, let's get involved. Let's go to the page. Anyone else wants to get involved in this? The link to the game is here. Kapow! And again, art was by Alicia Griffin. That sounds like a little name, doesn't it? Oh, right, I see books now. Well, that's a pain in the backside, isn't it? So, Lucky Lefty lunges through loops while levitating in lucid dreams. Look out, sometimes Lucky Lefty loses latitude, although loops can be landed. How fast can you make it through the loops? All right, let's have a look. WASD, alternative mouse click movement in options. R to reset. O for options. So was the alternative options in a particular attempt of the accessibility sort of thing? BookSnail, just let me know on that one. Let's check this out. They normally go better in Edge, so I'm just going to launch it in Edge. And excellent, thank you. That would take our total. Therefore, then let's open my little window that I started yesterday. Notepad. Oh yeah. Right there. Sorry. Okay, so this was it. I've got a little notepad tracking it, so that'll take us up to 3. Options to play with just a click as well. We'll have a look at those in the middle of the game as well. Cool. Thank you very much for that. And then let's paste this in. Let's give it a go. I'm guessing joystick is best accessibility. Yeah, that's a fair point as well, actually. I read that without even processing. Thank you. Okay, let's press play. Look at Lucky having a sleep. What does Lucky dream about? Well, I think we're about to find out. There's a flying dream. There's multiple types. This is the options, right? Time and leaderboard. Nice. Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's go for the flying dream, shall we? The snail is cute. Yes, the sound effects are good. I like how space works as well. You give the option of space or... I love it. Little arrows pointing at where the next one is as well, which is nice. Uh-oh. Am I through? Am I going to go back? Oh, I do. Come back. So I'm trying to work out, with Lefty, is the mouth like open or is it just really sad? We made it. We made it. Made it through the flying dream. Let's try that with the different controls. Open. I thought it was open. I'm just making sure. Okay, so you can just play it. We're just going to play it with one hand this time with a joystick instead. I feel I'm doing better with the joystick. Okay, and back we go. Yeah, that's the only bit that would probably need help, is to know that you can go back. No. Do you get bonus for not hitting the start? For not hitting them? I'm wondering how the high score. The high score is probably based on the time. 15. Oh, no, yeah, it's the time. It's the time. All right, we're gonna do this even faster. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I really love the cape. It's great to see Lucky Lefty in such a. Uh-oh. No! Oh. Come on. This was meant to be the good run. No! Can I restart? Give me a restart. Thank you, Lucky Lefty. Even in dreams, pressing R to restart works. I'd say the arrow location is sometimes a little off. I don't know if it spawns in the right spot, but if you're moving up, whether it doesn't change the pointing direction. I might be imagining it, though. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Back the other way. This. Ah! I like the parallax, though. The mountains in the back. Da-da-da-da. It's clearly wrong on edge. Oh, that's what you mean. Edge is in... Okay, well, we can try it. Oh, I realise I've still got this open. Help the performance of the old computer, wouldn't it? I thought you meant edge of the screen. My mistake. See how it runs on... See if we see it differently here. Yeah, see how slow it goes? I think it's running terribly. I think it's because I have hardware acceleration off. This is why... Yeah, it could be because it's stretching to this big as well. I'm going to try and make it smaller. Yeah, that makes it... It's interesting how the screen size kills the performance so much. You'd think it's just stretching the pixels, right? Alright, I'm tempted to also try this click screen for movement as well. Oh, look at that. Diablo meets Lucky Lefty. Yeah, the arrows work back on this side then. Mouse is cheat. What? It's an option. Alright, we're going to try a falling dream this time. Let's do it. Oh, what? I still got to go through... Oh, no, I've turned the... Uh-oh. Is it because it's expecting... What input is it taking? I can't press anything. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, so many things up at once. Is the stream still running? Everything went wrong. Right, let's try this again. I think I managed to press Windows G. Accidentally opened, yeah, the Microsoft overlay, and then pressed escape, and then everything closed. Okay, we're back, we're back. It's fine, it's fine. Do you think following the mouse would have been better than clicking? No, I don't know. It might have been... I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to think from... It's different from a like a control point of view, but then like what would be easier for someone to get involved in the game point of view. So like I think just touching to move is probably more accessible, so they can just touch here and there. Whereas following the finger, you're constantly having to like with good dexterity hold against the touch input or the click. So yeah, that's how I'm looking at it. Right, let's try the falling dream. Let's see. Last time I couldn't control it. Okay, now I can. It's just left and right fall. Okay, it's just left and right because we're obviously falling. Okay, we need to not bump on top of them. Go through them. Go on. Yeah. So I feel there's like just enough velocity to make it through. Like the left and right velocity. Where are we? Where are we? Look at the face. Ah! No! Uh-oh. Where's the rings gone? Uh-oh. Go! I missed it. I missed it. The snail is wearing a cape. Hey Merlin, nice to see you. No, I think I need to get a score to finish the level, but I keep missing them. It's fine, we can do this. You just got to get ready and react when it comes. Right, here we go, here we go. Where is it? I sniff it. Yay, we got the fifth one. The crowd are going wild. This is cute. I love how it has a little sleep hat on its shell. Beautiful. Right, let's try this again. We're going to get a better score than 86 seconds. We think. We got that. That counts. They do seem to spawn faster at the start. No. Restart. I can't. We're better than this. There we go. Pow. Done. We landed atop a ring. I think that the first ring is... It's surprisingly difficult. Because you got to go in and out in order to activate it. Oh, sorry, no, in order to actually go through at the right angle. Otherwise, you do that. Oh, I'm mad. Come on, we can do better. You found it easier with it? How does... I don't think the mouse works. Oh, on the other mode. Yeah, the mouse doesn't work on this mode. Oh, actually, no, I just didn't turn it on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so that there's a slight imbalance there. Brainoid, now you're right. You can completely change the amount of... Yeah! Yeah, it's a lot easier with mouse. Oh, that's what the ring physics option is. That makes sense. That makes sense. Well, we halved our time anyway, didn't we? Which is good. Thank you, BookSnail, for taking part in the wonderful jam. We had another installment of the Lucky Lefty series. And it's, look at, I love the little art that we've got in here. I like that there's two different dreams as well that you did. It would have been very easy to just stop at doing one. But I like how you tried doing one. And I like that you learned a couple of new things in there as well. So, yeah, diolch yn fawr I chi. Pleser chwarae eich gêm. Awn ni ysgrifennu cwpl o nodiadau'r byr I ddweud be o'n i'n meddwl am y gêm. Felly, drama. Oh, mae dal yn cwympo. Mae dal yn cwympo. Na. OK, awn ni wneud hyn yn fawr. A wedyn, awn ni fynd ati a ddweud. Da iawn. Nes I mwynhau unwaith eto ychwanegiad o'r cyfres. O'n i'n hapus iawn I weld fod chi wedi dysgu cwpl o bethau newydd. As always, fel arfer, defnydd o cael uchelfwrdd, beth y gair gywir am sgorfwrdd falle. Yeah, inclusion of a leaderboard means meant that I played the same level multiple times because I just knew I could do better. Thanks for taking part. Great snail art. 2. Is there a snail? Pow! Okay, we got it. We got it. Thank you, Holtzy, for the making it very hard to write English while speaking Welsh. Yeah, so that was Lucky Lefty. Thank you very much again. I'm really glad you took part. I appreciate it very much, BookSnail. And what a fun little cute game we made about Lucky Lefty once again. Right, so the raffle is going to be back open. Art carried the game. Well, it was definitely charming. The sleeping title screen snail was probably my favorite.